Welcome to the University of Houston Victoria School of Nursing. I'm Catherine Tart. I am founding dean and professor. We offer flexible programs for busy nurses who, like yourself, may want a bachelor's degree in our RN to BSN program or a master's degree in our MSN program. For those individuals who are not a nurse and want to become one, we have a 12-month second degree BSN program. Our programs are offered on 3 different campuses: the University of Houston Victoria in Victoria, Texas, the University of Houston System Sugar Land in Sugar Land, Texas, and the University of Houston System Cinco Ranch in Katy, Texas. We invite you to visit our campuses. We have quality programs approved through the Texas Higher Education Coordinating Board, the Texas Board of Nurses, the Commission for Collegiate Nursing Education. Come and be a part of innovative nursing excellence. Thank you.